Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Alrighty, so I got a little bit of stuff to get through tonight. So on the agenda tonight, Devan's PC back. This is the open loop that we did a little while ago. He has been through 2 of the same pumps. So we're not replacing it with the same pump. We're going to get a new pump. We're going to get a better pump. So we're going to set that up in this thing. And this is the new pump that we've got in its place. So this is the PR32-D5 from Thermaltake. It's basically the bigger version than the pump that came with the soft tube kit from Thermaltake that we use in this build. And then other than that, we'll basically just give it a bit of a clean out, a bit of a wipe down, and a bit of a refresh and stuff. We'll have some pipes to trim. Got the new reservoir and pump to mount there, so that'll be fun. So we'll have to drain the thing, trim some tubing, and move some stuff around. Check this out. Password hint, ask mum or Brad. I love that. I love that. No, that's okay. We don't really need Windows. We don't need to go in there and show off its life to the whole world or anything like that. All we need to do is get a new BIOS on there and make sure that's all up to date. But yeah, I think like the only problem that he hasn't had any other problems with it. It's just been fucking pumps died twice. It's a Z790 Aorus Elite AX. No amp. Alright, well, I think that's where we'll leave it for tonight. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Hello everyone, this is Buddy, aka the Fluffy Mow. The Fluffy Mow would like to know why you have not subscribed to the Tim's PC YouTube channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a huge favour and subscribe.